Hey everybody, it's Michelle here, and I think there's a kid behind Charlie. I know it's been a while. Oh, hey Charlie. Charlie's a little afraid of our new gimbal here, so he might leave in a moment. He's a very nervous dog. But yeah, I know it's been a while. We've been pretty busy with life. 2020 has, it is hard. We've had to do a lot of work on this house and another house, so we've been busy with that on top of our jobs, e-learning with our students. This kiddo's been in e-learning, so we just wanted to wish everybody a happy and healthy new year, and hopefully 2021, yeah, we don't want 2020 anymore, 2021 will be much kinder to us than 2020. But we also wanted to share some footage from our last Disney trip, which was, do you remember how long ago that was? It was 2019. It was May 2019. Kids leaving me. So we're going to share some of our footage from Toy Story Land at night because the kiddo who is now hiding really wanted to go on Slinky Dog at night. And do you remember that you ended up regretting that, child? No. Oh, he's down there. There he is. Anyway, so yeah, you'll hear about halfway through our Slinky Dog ride, maybe even more than before halfway, this child ends up regretting his request to do Slinky Dog at night. So assuming we have 2 trips planned for 2021. Assuming we get to do this, are we going on Slinky Dog at night?
Maybe in the morning.
Maybe in the morning, but not at night. Anyway, so let's get to the fun of Disney. Enough talking, and Happy New Year from all of us.
Happy New Year!
Okay, we are going to ride Slinky Dog at night as the child requested. As you can see, there are still hordes of people here.
Hi, fellow GoPro person.
You must be
Hey,
the
Woody.
Toys. Welcome.
Oh,
Sheriff
Adrian's head
Woody,
just got in the head.
and
Wait.
You've got a play date with
Because I'm so
Destiny.
tall.
You're so tall.
I'm so tall. So handsome.
You're so handsome. They're going to hear that. There it is, little man. Toy Story at night. What do you think? He's not answering. He's ready. This is going to be great.
Well, it's certainly going to be something.
Oh boy, he's excited. He's been waiting the whole trip for this ride. The whole trip. Oh, thank goodness for Fast Pass. And there he goes. Oh, look at that. Look how quick we got up here. Oh, you see the hidden Mickey? Here we go. Remember how you wanted to go at night?
Here we go.
All right, there's.
You've got a friend in me.
Feels good.
Are you okay, child? It's over. Thank goodness. They're having too much fun. Alright, we did it twice this time. Okay, gentlemen. Toy Story Land at night or day? Which is better?
Oh, but night.
Night? Okay, so we're going to try to just do this.
And painful.
Wow.
Wait.
Well, that was brutally honest.
Wait, the last is here.
Oh, do you need to go use
Give me 1 second, and we'll do the final rating.
the final rating? There he goes. Here he comes. Victory? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. How was that one?
That was a real What do you want? I feel all the toilets are like this low.
Oh, they're kid toilets?
They're all like, yeah, you're like peeing on the
So
floor.
perfect for your height.
Yes. I felt like I really made some memories in there. Okay?
Oh yeah, step right up, folks. I tell you, everybody can. Now I'm saying, they play. Yes, I am.